Welcome to another PCS Legal video. So should I avoid buying a property with a short-term lease? Well, when leases are granted, they are normally given a term of 125 years. When buying a new leasehold property, this does not create a problem. Those older properties can prove more problematic and should be approached with caution. A lease with less than 65 years to run will significantly decline in value, which will mean fewer people will want to purchase it. And also banks and mortgage providers will be less likely to lend on them. This is due to the lease at the end of its term reverting back to the ownership of the landlord or freeholder. If you're looking to buy a property where the lease is approaching, say, 80 to 75 years left to run, you should consider whether the lease can be extended. You should always inquire whether the property owner has had contact with their landlord to explore the potential of extending the lease. Extending the lease is done by an instrument called a deed of variation. If you are buying and the seller has already made an approach to their landlord, you are generally able to take an assignment of this approach, whereas you may need to wait up to 2 years to extend the lease once you have purchased, should this not be the case. If the landlord is willing to extend, then they will charge consideration to do so. This can range depending on the property value and also the term that's left to run. It can be as little as a few £1,000s, but could be £10,000 or even £20,000 or perhaps more depending on the particular property. You should therefore pay particular attention to any property that has a declining lease. If you wish to receive more information and advice regarding lease terms, please contact any one of our offices in Basildon, Ongar, Wickford or London.